India and Pakistan, two neighboring countries bound by history, divided by borders, and armed with some of the most advanced missile systems in South Asia. In this video, we compare the missile capabilities of India and Pakistan, from nuclear capable to tactical battlefield rockets. Who has the edge? And what does this mean for regional stability? Let's find out. First, let's understand the types of missiles we are comparing. Ballistic missiles travel high into atmosphere and descends onto the target. Cruise missile fly at low altitudes and are often precision guided. Surface to surface, air launched and submarine launched missiles. Now let's break down the arsenal. India has one of the most diverse and technologically advanced missile program in the developing world, largely built by its Defense Research and Development Organization, the DRDO. Agni series, Agni 5, India's longest range missile with a reach of over 5,000 km, capable of carrying nuclear warheads. Agni 4 and 3, mid-range, also nuclear capable with ranges between 3,000 to 4,000 km. Prithvi series, tactical short-range ballistic missiles with nuclear capability ranging from 150 to 350 km. BrahMos cruise missile, developed with Russia. It's one of the fastest cruise missile in the world, Mach 2.8 to 3.0. Land, sea, air and submarine launched variants make it versatile weapon. Submarine launched missiles, K-15 and K-4, part of India's nuclear triad, ensure second strike capability. Pakistan missile program, though younger, is agile and strategically focused, primarily developed under strategic plans. Shaheen series, Shaheen 3, with a range of 2,750 kilometers, capable of reaching India's eastern borders. Shaheen 1 and 2, solid-fueled ballistic missile with nuclear capability. Ghori series, liquid-fueled ballistic missile reaching up to 500 kilometers, slower and more vulnerable but capable of carrying heavy warheads. Babur cruise missile, Pakistan's answer to BrahMos. Babur 2 has a range of about 700 km, low altitude flight path. Nasr missile, a short-range tactical nuclear weapon with a range of just 70 km, developed for battlefield use to deter Indian conventional military superiority. India has a nuclear triad: land-based missiles, air-dropped bombs and submarine-launched missiles. This gives India robust second strike capability. Pakistan has land and air-based nuclear delivery system and is rumored to be working on enhancing sea-based capabilities, but is not yet a fully established triad power. India follows a not first use policy, while Pakistan has not adopted an FU, maintaining ambiguity to deter conventional attacks. India's edge: longer range ballistic missile, superior cruise missile technology, advanced indigenous R&D and a complete nuclear triad. Pakistan's strength: tactical nuclear weapons for battlefield deterrence, fast response capabilities, focused regional missile strategy. But make no mistake, both countries possess powerful and destructive missile forces capable of inflicting catastrophic damage. If you found this breakdown informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more defense and geographical content.